Yasoro kwegena kwane na butambe no gendete kuendera kuyagwa kirimero berito yon CP ya Getembe TV and on Siasore. Happy Mashujaa Day. Rituko ogotogo chengera Mashujaa Day ya meronge tano no yomo asense ya Kenya se chinsemo au asebono omochio Nairobi omariwensi ya Kenya muske William Samuel Ruto ringanyara kobaga kora omorobelio yo nabo igase county ya Kisii bo igase stadium ya Nyanturago moyego unigo gendrete nabo igo abarai niko banyaka bagwikirana nabo igabutura chikorora chinkwana cyabo eke Kerubo ngo tura chigo kwariganiria ase Ekeonga igo tosuka do chigo nyara kabato kwariganiria chinkwani cha senchira ayo boikirano naso kogo chakari ngo koira ase getie kyo kya Nyanturago titukoria rero ase banyara ko bagwika ase Chinsa mecho nako konyara ko bago celebrate eritukoria mashu riko seritukoria Jamhuri Day.
Yakigima umwacho mwaligiria Getembe Television nigo wonoiga nigo ngogochere mase mukuru ase geti kya Nyanturago imiye wodi ebeno ase county ya Kisii asabono moyego manene wariganirwa ne county ya Kisii ogocengera ritko lya Jamhuri ase semeiga yati yabare kurase county ya Kisii nigo bigo bayikirana abakoragwa no mukonyi bu mugavana Moskeli Jobebo abo waziri kurwase county yo omamsibe wodi ebeno moske stivarika gati yabara ibanda bange asabara bayiga bakagire kwandera igoro yeri tukeriga boyigo igoro yamagendero kurwase county ya Kisii ayo negati yali ataragendero kubwateria kurwase egetasene kiga kya Getembe asebono okonyoria to nkelinga abaralia akurwase getasene kya Getembe boyigo barasense miga bonekire moyo ko ene kyabuna ngo kibale okoletera onsi unaragendero kubwateka kurwase nsemegendre kubwatia mase mukurwase getasene kiga kya Getembe nyina samangana ito amayali bosyo halia ye Chinsa ikomi boyigo ne Chinsa Ibere chabotuko asitura kwali ne robot yoro ikirana kurwase nsemeiga urudire getasene kya Getembe koroiga se bunge ya Nyaribari chache hase county ya Kisii titere nengoro ko Daniel Ontiri
Miamono moriketo Daniel Ontiri asoko basense meyu na kwene kibinanko ya nyora tore AMASE mopnangendete ekokolekana segeti ekyo kya Nyanturago me county ya Kisii igo bigongo manyiwana mwaka wedwe mochimikianda meronge 5 no mone tato chitarikini 12 somutinyo 12 ensi ya Kenya nigo bono yarete ko bage ko ba republic nabo igo chinga kecheche kanyara ko bage konyora obosibori bwaye nase ngoko ira somuyiga okoreka ime omochio Nairobi emambia ya rero onigo president yenseria ya Gambia omusike Adam Barrow anyara ko bakawikana asenseme yuna ko wakilisha abamenyi benseme ya Gambia nakorwa nkwana yae gocha saba Kenya ritkeriga ya Jamhuri Day.
Nationally known as Jamhuri Day. On behalf of the Gambian people, I congratulate you all on this auspicious occasion and convey to you our sincere wishes of sustained progress, peace, and stability. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, as we celebrate and reflect on the journey of this illustrious nation since 1963, we are bound to pay tribute to the visionary leadership and tenacity of her founding fathers. The words of the renowned Kenyan hero, Jomo Kenyatta, amply reflect this when he said, I quote, "We must unite to build a new nation," end of quote. This patriotic call to unity remains as relevant today as it was decades ago, not only for Kenya, but also for the entire African continent. Indeed, Kenya's declaration of freedom as a democratic republic.
Chinga keche chomorebo ensi ya Kenya muske William Samuel Ruto niganyara ko baga kuira chinga kichai na ko bakwanira ba Kenya na sinkwana yanyara ko baga ko babolia barai ko rase chinsemo banyara ko baga utiga siasa eko babaga banyara ko ba ko chama na buigo kinyense ya Kenya.
our sovereignty and celebrate the enduring legacy of those whose patriotic efforts took down the bastions of imperialism. Their sacrifice set our republic on the path of liberty, unity, peace, enterprise, and democracy. Today, we affirm, by reflecting on what we have accomplished since raising the flag of our nation, that by staying true to our national identity, we have remained consistent through seasons of abundance and scarcity. We assert our essential collective character, defined by the values and principles that inspired our forefathers to struggle and sacrifice, persist and persevere, endeavor and endure until oppression gave way to freedom, exclusion gave way to unity, and marginalization gave way to equality. We remember that our nation was born from the painful sacrifice and tireless, often lonely, and grueling efforts of men and women driven by the conviction that their sweat, tears, and blood were a worthy price to pay for ushering millions of their brothers and sisters from the dark, cold nights of imperial brutality into the warm daylight of
Mwancho murigeri gwikiraga muno gwikira omweri obwa mangana maya Chinsa Isano nibera senchira yobwenge ase Chinsa ikominingera nende ginkwariganire tichiro boti chomora ibwense ya Kenya ayonyara ko bakagukwanira nemono ayarengeta mangana ya magendero no bigakora se county ya Kisii boigo nyare ko bagingo kwa chinkwana chabare bibanyara ko bagukwana igoro yeri tukeligari ya jamhuri korende engake yega mwancho murigeri na enkagali mbare gali bakwibori na ine jamhuri ye ingento kieke usibande batamanyitio mogano o jamhuri de ono muriketo samiyenda nigire teri bagari na gutwariganira omugano musinini igoro ya jamhuri de igo ngo uchiko gutikana roboti oru nabo igo gendera gotegerera kurigereri Getembe TV na Ekeonga kyama mugusinche Cynthia Kerubo kuranse memanyere gotwanganira Wilson Makori gendera akotegerera kurigereri omugano yo o jamhuri de
Chitariki 12 omwaka bwirwe yemo chimikianda 1963.
Ewe Kenya inji yangu, ewe Kenya baba yangu, ewe Kenya mama yangu, sitakuacha milele.
Ense ya Kenya nigo yanyorete obosubure kurwa asobra inoboteneri bw'omukoroni obongereza yani British colony. Oyoraite na gotenera ense ya Kenya asige Getembe. Wetera asomo kiobege tuna barwaneri bo bosubore negati yabo ekiombe kya Mau nsiyo buraibu ya Field Marshal Musa Mwariama, Dedan Kimati, General Baimogi, Warui Totem, Stanley Mathege na bande bunabono kubukubu. Chingakie chiyo morayo motangani bwense ya Kenya Jomo Kenyatta kurenda asama tuka mangi omanyekane tebu na Johnston Kamau. Nigo atanchete kiombe kya Mau gwikaga kiroka oboroire go CDCs. Kurende na ireteri bagari nene boigo asokurwanero bosubore bwense ya Kenya. Eginto kerete ogosibwa kwaye jela ya Loikitang nabara ibande gati yabo Kungu Karumba, Bildad Kagia, Fred Kubai, Paul Ngei amona Acheng Oneni akaegwa ali bagali yokoba omora ibwense omotangani magega yogotianigwa asiri tukerio
Uhuru. I, Jomo Kenyatta, being chosen and admitted to the cabinet in Kenya, do swear that I will be true and faithful to Kenya.
Kirenga kenene nigo kire okorosia amabaga yemeremo asaba Kenya. Moiga orachi gokorekana asigiti kya Uhuru Garden asomo cho Nairobi na koragwa no morayo gatano bwense ya Kenya omoskedo be TV.
Renata Health World ni company yo Ekeonga Chinsa Television Network RSC echuchiro siri